Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is a Bicester Village come shop with me today. But first off, if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. If you like a Bicester Village come shop with me, we try to do that at least once a month on this channel here. So if you like that kind of thing, definitely take a moment to subscribe. It's free, no cost to you. We also do other come shop with me's around a whole other range of places. I'll leave the playlist either up there in the clickable I button at the top to the whole come shop with me playlist. We do hauls if we buy any things, and spoiler, there is going to be a haul coming up in my next video for Bicester Village. And we do other hauls, grocery hauls, too good to go bags, other vlogs, that kind of thing. So as I said, it's free, no cost to you. Take a moment to subscribe. It would really help the channel. But as I said, we're doing a Bicester Village Bicester Village come shop with me in this part, and then the next video is going to be a Bicester Village haul. So today it is 9th of December, I think. And I have just gone to Bicester. I've come back, and then I went over to Milton Keynes, and I've got another come shop with me from over there, which I will film, which will be another video. It might be before or after this, I can't remember. But yeah, it's Christmas time, so I wanted to see, I wanted to have a look around the shops to get like a feel of what presents, because normally most of the time I normally go to like Rituals to get presents, and also like the White Company, they do like really good gifts if you want something that's a premium gift. But because it's in Bicester, the Bicester Village prices of White Company are a little bit lower than what they are in a regular price store. So I was on the hunt for Christmas gifts and maybe a few things for myself. So yeah, without further ado, let's go on into the come shop with me today around Bicester Village to see what they have got in for winter Christmas time. So I always park at the Ralph Lauren end, and we will be going in there later, so stay tuned. But this is how dead it was about 9:15, and they have got a pop-up of this champagne brand here. And we also did see, looks like a new Dior store is coming, or like maybe a menswear separate one, who knows. It's near Prada, but let's go into Prada and see what they have. Very interesting gloves, actually, just noticing that, very odd, but it looks a bit bare in some places. But they've got some nice workwear bits in, very big wallets as well. And then just down the escalator, didn't get too much because there was no one in there, so lots of sales associates on you. And looks like Stella McCartney is moving soon as well. But now let's go into Burberry to see what they have on selected rails. They had 30% off additionally. I didn't manage to capture any of that because there were like a lot of people around those. But yeah, that shirt back at the beginning was like 160 quid, and this jumper, if I can get the label to see the price, because it is quite nickpitty, not nickpitty, can't think of the word, ficknickety, I can't say it now. So yeah, that's how much those are. I had quite a lot of selection of this, and they had a lot of like large check stuff, which isn't really my cup of tea, but like that in a duffel coat, not really my cup of tea. Let's go into Gucci to see what they have next. Managed to get in straight, no problem, no digital queue, but this was probably about 20 past for 9:30 at that point. And we have got some shirts here. We've got this like denim jacket with the collar, hopefully you could see that, and then different coats and things as well, and then we got the mannequins wearing this option here. As you can see, there's not many people in here at all, but it is like 9:30 by this point. Let's have a go look at the shoes. Now I couldn't see any prices on the shoes, which was a bit odd, on the bottom or like inside. They're normally on the bottom, I'm sure, but yeah, they've got quite a good range of shoes. I'm guessing if you want particular sizes, they go out and check them. And then they had a special price section as well. This is where the new restaurant is. I'm not how sure you pronounce it, but I know it's part of the Soho House group. This is where Cafe Wolsey used to be, opposite Dolce & Gabbana, and they've got some nice Christmas decorations up. We've also got a new boutique where Smythson is, a watch shop basically, and then I'm going to head into Coach now for a quick look around, because I was kind of on the hunt for like maybe a new wallet or something, because I've hit a milestone at work. I wanted to commemorate that. Can't say my words today, but to be honest, I didn't really want a Coach wallet. I wanted something maybe from Mulberry or things, but they really did not have any men's wallets in Mulberry, and I kind of wanted a card holder. Maybe, I don't know. I was kind of on the hunt, and they had a Peanuts collection in here, and if that's not the meest thing ever. But yeah, the Coach monogram isn't really doing it for me. Next, we're going to go into Tommy Hilfiger to see what they've got in here. I do love a bit of Tommy. They've got some nice... That's a really nice coloured jumper with lots of texture on it. Really liked that. And we've got a really nice coat here. Nice grey overcoat. Sorry about my coat getting in the way. But yeah, that's how much that is, and I do love a quarter zip even, so I was kind of on the hunt, do I really want to buy one of those? These are £70, and they had some really good deals in some sections, like this sweatshirt was £25 for that is really good for a sweatshirt that would have cost £90. And then jumper wise, they've got some, and that was part of Tommy Hilfiger, not even Tommy Jeans. Next, let's go into North Face to see what they've got in. I have got in the past a really good deal in here of a fleece for like, what was it, around the £15 mark, if not a bit cheaper. Really good. There wasn't that many good deals today, but always look on the hunt for they have, when the really good deals are coming up here, I'll show you on this label. If you find one of these labels, that's a good deal, and sometimes they get one a bit lower as well, which is even better. But let's now move into Ralph Lauren, see what they've got in here. We're going to try some stuff on as well. Big puffer coats in here, which are still a bit pricey. And then we've got hoodies and jumpers as well. Lots of different colours and styles. We've got zip up ones, we've got over the head ones, and these kind of prints, and then we've got gilets as well. They did have a bit of additional money off in here at this time. It was around, well, it's like the 9th of December. Really like these sweatshirts actually, but I do not need another sweatshirt. And then we've got some more, like a barber style jacket, a blazer kind of thing, but like some barber style jackets here. And they do actually have a sale section all year round in this bit here, so it's always worth to have a look in here to see what deals they've got. And if you're looking for a gilet with the massive logo on, that's how much you're going to look to pay. But I did try on a shirt in here, and watch my next video, which is going to be a haul, to see whether I picked that up or not. But it was giving me very Christmas vibes, which I love. So that was a come shop with me around Bicester Village today. I'm sorry I didn't get too much footage, but we just managed to go in Burberry and get a little bit, and also Gucci and get a little bit. Prada, I was literally, well, maybe not literally, there was a few other people, but it was quite dead in there because I normally get there as soon as it opens, because that is the best tip I can give you. Get there early, and I was gone by like, it was 11:15 at the latest. I was gone by, because I wanted to go over to Milton Keynes anyway, so that's why I left. But the car park was full at like 11:15, so best thing to go, especially this time of year, get there early. Or what I have found in previous years, because I think last year or the year before I went in the evening after work, because it is open till 9 o'clock, so going after like 7 o'clock can be quite good as well, because it's less busy at those times. You don't really want to go in the middle because it's very busy. But yeah, so we did manage to go in Burberry. They had some selected items were 30% off in there, because they've got like an extraordinary sale on at the moment. But as I always say, that Burberry store has not got the same deals as it used to back in the day before it was refurbed. The deals are not as good, and I feel like they've got less stock, because it kind of used to be more stock, and now it's more like a proper, well, I don't think I've ever been in a proper Burberry store, but like it's more of a luxury experience, I suppose, but at the outlet price. But not the outlet when it used to be really, really good prices, like when you could get a Burberry shirt for £49. Doesn't seem to be that. There was, if you watch, I think that was this year, I've done, as I said, I do this every try and do it every month, and they did have a shirt in there for a good price once, but it was extra small and it just did not fit. But yeah, we went in Prada. They didn't have really anything too standing outy. Sorry if you can hear a plane, because there's a plane going over. Gucci, I managed to get a few clips in Gucci, they had some special price stuff, but actually a lot of that is stuff that's already been in there a while, because we saw the Disney collection in that section, which they've had there for a while. I couldn't really see prices on shoes and things, which was really annoying. Where else did we go? I did go into Dior, but I did not film because I was the only one in the men's bit, and like there was like free sales assistants in my face. Well, not really in my face, but like they were milling around, so I didn't want to be like, ooh. And also, where else did we manage to go? Where did we go? I went in Tommy Hilfiger, which I always do. They had some good prices in there, really good prices on one particular thing. And see the next video if I buy it. Yeah, I didn't get too much footage because it was getting busier. And although that sometimes can be good, because you can kind of hide from the sales associates. My socks are really annoying me today. Yeah, I just didn't manage to get an awful lot of footage in some places. But yes, if you want to see what I bought in Bicester, please go check my next, well, stay tuned or subscribe, even better, because the next video will be a Bicester Village haul where I do show you the things I bought today. Fortunately, I did not get any Christmas gifts. They're only gifts for myself, but there we go. If you do like a Bicester Village haul though, Bicester Village Come Shop With Me or haul, do take a moment to subscribe. It's free, there's no cost to you, and I do try and do this at least once a month on the channel. And sorry about the Christmas decorations that are like half done, because I always like turn them up when I'm not got them on, because there's a radiator like there. But yeah, anyway, that's by the way. If you do like any other Come Shop With Me's, we do like Primark, Zara, H&M at least once a month, and then other ones as well throughout the month. Take a moment to subscribe, and also hauls from places that I shop at, grocery hauls, Too Good To Go bags, all that kind of fun stuff. So if that is your jam, take a moment to subscribe and ring my bell to be notified of when I upload, and also follow my Instagrams. They are always linked down below. I am trying to get back more into doing Instagram, but like I feel like when I do YouTube to the full capacity, I can't really do Instagram because I do have a full-time job as well. So there we go. But yes, let me know if you've been to an outlet recently, if you've been to Bicester recently, have you picked up anything in Bicester, or have you been to like Ashford, Cheshire Oaks, where else, York Designer Outlet, Icon Outlet I really want to go to in London, Wembley, any of those places. Let me know if you've bought anything in the sales in those places for Christmas. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.